Hi, it's Seal
and Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes,
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Now we have 3 clues right here beside us that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you help us out with the clues? Thank you.
Alright, let's start at the top. Clue tuatahi, our first clue. Do you know what this is? Aye, it's twinkling. Tīrama. There are stars twinkling in the sky.
Clue tuarua, right here. Do you know what it is? That's right. It's a taimana, a diamond.
Alright, clue tuatoru, our third and last clue, is sitting right here beside us. Do you know what this is? Ai ka pai, it's a whetū, a star. We have all 3 clues. We have our tīrama, twinkly stars in the sky. We have a taimana, a diamond. And we have a whetū, a star.
Oh, I know what song we're going to sing. Tīrama, tīrama, twinkle, twinkle, little star.
That's right. And in this song, we're going to be singing it i te reo Māori and i te reo Pākehā in English. And I want you to try and remember these 3 things when you hear the song. So tīrama, our twinkling, taimana, the diamond, and whetū, our star. And we'll test you at the end, see if you remember it. Alright, should we go and listen to the song?
Oh yes, I'll count to toru and we'll go have a sing along. Tahi, rua, toru.
Tīrama, tīrama ngā whetū, kei te pēhea rā koutou, kei runga ake rā, he taimana tori te. Tīrama, tīrama ngā whetū, kei te pēhea rā koutou. Tīrama, tīrama ngā whetū, kei te pēhea rā koutou, kei runga ake rā, he taimana tori te. Tīrama, tīrama ngā whetū, kei te pēhea rā koutou. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Kei te pēhea rā koutou.
That was so cute. I love that song. That's one of my favourite lullabies.
Did you enjoy doing all the actions with Manawa Bear? Yay!
We did too. We
Awesome.
love Manawa Bear. Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara. It's time to remember those 3 words that we taught you at the beginning. Here's our first one. Starts with the sound T. T. Tīrama, twinkle.
Our second word also starts with the sound ta. Ta. Taimana, diamond.
Right, our third word starts with the sound Fe. Whetū, star. Well done, you learned all 3 words and you learned some new actions and you got to dance with Manawa Bear. We hope you enjoyed singing along with us today. Let's go do our goodbye song together. Goodbye everybody. it's time to go. Goodbye, everybody, we'll miss you so. Ka kite ano, we'll see you soon. Goodbye, hey koneira. Goodbye, hey koneira. One.
Hey you, make sure to like and subscribe down below so you can watch my mum and auntie's videos. Loopy Tunes, taku board.